DNA is made up of repeating subunits, called Option A, nucleotides. Option B, genes. Option C, bases. Option D, none of these. The answer is option F, nucleotides. Mendel had a background in which of the following subjects? Option A, arts. Option B, botany. Option C, history. Option D, trigonometry. The answer is option B, botany. Genetics is the study of Option A, mRNA. Option B, RNA. Option C, genes. Option D, bones. The answer is option C, genes. How many chromosomes are in an egg or a sperm cell? Option A, 46. Option B, 23. Option C, 24. Option D, 42. The answer is option B, 23. The rate of photosynthesis decreases because the enzymes are denatured at Option A, higher temperature. Option B, lower temperature. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The answer is option F, higher temperature. Light is absorbed by some substances are known as Option A, sock. Option B, pigment. Option C, surface. Option D, photon. The answer is option B, pigment. Green-colored vegetables are rich source of Option A, vitamin B. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin A. Option D, none of these. The answer is option C, vitamin A. Bitterness in colocasia is due to Option A, potassium oxalate. Option B, calcium oxalate. Option C, calcium carbonate. Option D, sodium carbonate. The answer is option B, calcium oxalate. Frozen storage is generally operated at temperature of Option A, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Option B, minus 18 degrees Celsius. Option C, 0 degrees Celsius. Option D, minus 273 degrees Celsius. The answer is option B, minus 18 degrees Celsius. According to W. W. Rostow, the stages of economic growth are Option A, 4. Option B, 2. Option C, 5. Option D, 7. The answer is option C, 5.